Sony is once again pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of imaging, and the buzz around the rumored Sony A1 III is growing louder by the day. If the whispers are true, we could be looking at a flagship mirrorless beast that redefines high-performance photography and video. From cutting-edge autofocus improvements to a potential boost in resolution and frame rates, the A1 III might just be Sony's most ambitious release yet. While official specs are still under wraps, the rumors alone have the photography world on edge. So whether you're a pro, an enthusiast, or just love keeping up with the latest gear, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, and let's break down everything we know so far about the highly anticipated Sony A1 III. Sony's A1 III embodies professional refinement in every detail, balancing rugged durability with thoughtful design choices that elevate the shooting experience for working professionals. The magnesium alloy chassis is both lightweight and remarkably strong, offering the kind of reliability that photographers and filmmakers demand in extreme environments. Despite its flagship status, the body maintains a relatively compact footprint, making it easier to carry for extended assignments without sacrificing toughness. Ergonomics has seen meaningful evolution. The grip is now deeper and more sculpted, giving excellent purchase even when wielding heavy G-Master telephoto lenses, reducing fatigue over long hours of fieldwork. Weather sealing has been enhanced to a truly comprehensive level, positioning the A1 III alongside the most rugged cameras available today. Sony has also refined the physical controls, with tactile dials, customizable buttons, and a redesigned joystick that feel more responsive and intuitive in hand, enabling quicker adjustments in fast-paced scenarios. The crown jewel of the handling experience is the new 9.44 million dot electronic viewfinder, which not only delivers industry-leading clarity, but also supports refresh rates up to a staggering 240 Hz, ensuring a smooth and immersive view whether tracking wildlife, capturing sports, or composing cinematic video. Complementing the EVF is the rear LCD, which now offers brighter output for outdoor visibility, fully articulating flexibility for creative framing, and touch responsiveness finely tuned for both stills and video workflows. Collectively, these design improvements reveal a philosophy rooted in practicality rather than ornamentation. Every curve, button, and surface is engineered with purpose, catering to professional demands while remaining approachable in daily use. The A1 III is not just a tool. It is a refined extension of the photographer's vision, designed to withstand the toughest assignments while making the process of capturing images more fluid and intuitive. At the heart of the Sony A1 III lies the company's latest 60-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, a remarkable piece of engineering that blends extreme resolution with cutting-edge speed and responsiveness. Unlike traditional sensors that often compromise high megapixel counts for sensitivity or speed, this stacked design, paired with dual BIONZ XR processors and a dedicated AI coprocessor, ensures that the A1 III maintains outstanding performance across all fronts. The sensor architecture allows for faster readout, virtually eliminating rolling shutter in most scenarios, while also supporting the camera's advanced autofocus system and ultra-fast burst shooting capabilities. From a tonal perspective, dynamic range is a standout strength, offering over 15 stops in RAW, meaning photographers have extraordinary latitude to recover both highlight and shadow detail without banding or loss of fidelity. This makes the camera equally capable in high-contrast situations, such as harsh daylight or moody low-light interiors. High ISO performance is particularly impressive given the 60 megapixel resolution. Images remain remarkably clean and detailed up to ISO 12800, with a natural, filmic grain structure that avoids the overly digital, plastic look common in many high-resolution sensors. Beyond technical performance, Sony has clearly refined its color science, addressing long-standing critiques about skin tones and tonal consistency. The A1 III now delivers more accurate and lifelike colors, with smoother gradations and a pleasing organic rendering of both warm and cool tones, whether under artificial or natural light. This combination of resolution, dynamic range, and refined color reproduction makes the A1 III a versatile tool for professionals across genres, equally suited to large-format commercial projects where detail is paramount, fine art photography that demands tonal subtlety, or documentary and editorial work that requires both speed and fidelity. The result is a camera that defines balance, uncompromising in resolution, yet effortless in usability. Historically a point of contention among photographers and filmmakers, Sony's approach to color science has seen steady refinement over the past decade. But with the release of the A1 III, it feels like the company has finally reached a point of maturity and polish that rivals, and in some cases surpasses, its competition. Early Sony cameras often received criticism for producing overly clinical, sometimes harsh color rendering, particularly when it came to skin tones under mixed lighting conditions. With the A1 III, however, those complaints feel like a relic of the past. JPEG output is now more visually pleasing straight out of the camera, offering filmic tonalities that provide natural separation of highlights and shadows while maintaining vibrant yet controlled color reproduction. Skin tones, which previously leaned toward unnatural magentas or washed out yellows, are now handled with subtlety, making portraits look more lifelike and emotionally engaging. Landscapes also benefit, with blues and greens displaying depth and richness without appearing oversaturated. A standout addition is the new Cinematic Color Profile, a carefully tuned, film-inspired palette designed with narrative photographers and video creators in mind. This mode strikes a fine balance between organic warmth and cinematic contrast, delivering a look that is polished enough to use without post-production, but flexible enough to push further in editing. Meanwhile, Sony's refined S-Cinetone remains a favorite for filmmakers who want cinematic output without the burden of heavy color grading, and in this generation, it has been subtly updated to produce smoother tonal roll-offs. Adding to the appeal is Sony's expanded customization toolkit, which grants deeper in-camera control over tonal curves, saturation levels, and hue adjustments. These refinements, when combined with the sheer fidelity of the A1 III's high-resolution sensor, reduce the need for extensive corrections in post-production, while still offering creators who demand precision the freedom to sculpt their files with surgical accuracy. In short, Sony has transformed its color pipeline into a professional-grade tool that no longer demands excuses, but instead invites trust. Sony continues to dominate autofocus innovation, and the A1 III raises the bar yet again with a level of precision and speed that feels almost futuristic. At its core, the camera leverages advanced AI-driven subject recognition capable of tracking not just humans, but also animals, birds, cars, trains, and even aircraft with remarkable accuracy, making it one of the most versatile systems available today. The real-time IAF has been refined to lock on instantly and hold steady, even when subjects are moving erratically, briefly turning away, or working in near darkness where traditional autofocus systems falter. This reliability makes it an invaluable tool for professionals who cannot afford missed moments, whether in sports, wildlife, or high-pressure documentary shooting. Speed is equally breathtaking. Blackout-free electronic shutter bursts soar up to 40 FPS, all while virtually eliminating rolling shutter artifacts that plagued earlier generations. For those who prefer mechanical shooting, the A1 III still achieves an impressive 15 FPS with full AF and AE tracking. Edge-to-edge autofocus coverage ensures that no part of the frame is off-limits for creative composition, empowering photographers with greater freedom in framing. Beyond pure performance, Sony has made strides in usability, with menus that, while still dense, are more logically organized than in past iterations, reducing friction in the field. The extended battery life and USB-C PD fast charging add reliability for long shooting sessions, while dual CF Express Type-A and SD slots provide both speed and flexibility for demanding workflows. A revamped heat dissipation system also ensures consistent performance during extended bursts or intensive 8K video capture, preventing thermal throttling. Altogether, the Sony A1 III represents a complete package that blends cutting-edge autofocus, industry-leading speed, and improved ergonomics, cementing its role as a flagship designed for professionals who demand nothing less than perfection in every frame. The Sony A1 is one of the most powerful hybrid mirrorless cameras available, seamlessly blending high-end video performance with advanced network connectivity. For video professionals, it offers internal 8K recording at 30 FPS in 10-bit 4.2 IRO, as well as 4K up to 120 FPS in 10-bit 4.2.2, with full sensor readout and minimal rolling shutter, making it ideal for cinematic and commercial production. It supports S-Log2, S-Log3, and S-Cinetone profiles, and can output 16-bit RAW via HDMI to an external recorder, offering maximum flexibility in post-production. The built-in 5-axis image stabilization with an active mode ensures smoother handheld footage, though it applies a slight crop. While the A1 can record continuously in 8K for about 30 minutes under normal conditions, overheating may occur in warmer environments or extended sessions, requiring some pause between takes. On the networking side, the A1 includes a built-in gigabit Ethernet port, rare in mirrorless systems, enabling fast and stable FTP transfers, tethered shooting, and remote camera control. In sum, the Sony A1 III is not just an upgrade, it's a redefining flagship. It takes the concept of a hybrid professional camera and pushes it to its logical extreme. Uncompromising image quality, blazing speed, cinematic video, and a future-proofed connectivity suite. Whether you're a sports photographer, filmmaker, commercial shooter, or all of the above, the A1 III proves you don't have to choose between resolution, speed, or reliability. You can have it all in one body.